Hello. So I wanted to start with like what I disliked and what I kind of like not liked. Throughout the whole time, I thought there was segments in the YouTube video where it would like kind of tell you like which part it's at and dictate all that. Like there was like kind of like symmetrical dynamics in it, and where it begins, it kind of like fogs up. I don't know, to me, like there isn't so much of like a lead in the beginning. Like, then this is all opinionated, so like in the middle, I don't know, it's just like a little kind of the same thing, and even towards the end. But there's like this pleasant harmony towards the rhythm that is like consistent, and it has like, it doesn't really like falter, like it's just like, yeah, consistent and stuff like that. The whole time, the harmless chorus was singing directly towards the instruments, and it was like complementing each other. I said this every time, but I mean, like, that's like the best part. If there's like a harmony with singing and instruments, then like that's really good. But that was like question 2. The second one, or well, the first one, the instruments included throughout the whole time, there was like violins and violas, cellos, and also I think basses. I was in orchestra for 7 years, and I also did band, and I never did singing, but I know like I have an ear for that, so I know who was in there. There's a sense of unity once everything comes together, specifically with the singers and instruments, like I said before, using the strings, and I think the strings are super important in this. The brass doesn't necessarily help. Well, I mean, it completely does, like everything helps, but I mean, what's leading the whole, like, everything with this is just like the like the strings and like the chorus, just not like the brass and everything else. Everything else that like is behind what I just said is not really, helping the main thing, like the main whole narrative. I don't think it's completely takes over the orchestra, like in the first half. Like, it doesn't take over completely in the orchestra in the first half, like the brass, but like, or I meant the orchestra, but like the strings. Anyways, the brass is there to enforce the strings, to harmonize with the strings, and also tell the stories. But yeah, I really enjoyed it. It was pretty good. Let's see if I missed anything. No, I didn't. But yeah, it was great. Sorry for being late on this.